Okay, welcome back to the third recording attempt of Project Hyper's 2.5 development log, I guess. Development log 2.5, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to show you problems I'm having before 3.0 gets released. Or update log 3.0. So the new item that I've added, there's 3 new items at the moment, which are 2 wallpapers, which are cobblestone and wooden planks. Those are your building textures, and the pickaxe. So the pickaxe is used to destroy builds, so say I place down the default material of construction frame, just whack it with a pickaxe and it goes away. Pickaxes do the same thing as swords, however they have a unique code to them. Now the way you actually craft pickaxes, if I scroll all the way down, the block blast is here, but it also seems to have the exact same crafting recipe as ether at the moment, so it's impossible to craft. Well, it's not impossible to craft, but you know, Block Blaster will have a unique recipe eventually. But for now, the pickaxe, what do you have to do to craft one? You start the game with one, at least I hope you do. I'm going to try and figure out a way to do that, because, I mean, it's pretty much impossible to play without one. But in case you wanted to make a separate pickaxe or whatever, I guess you could use this one. You can make a spare, which would be 4 wood and 4 iron in order to make a spare pickaxe. You can also see the new icon at the player stats, so you get the sword and you got the pickaxe. Pickaxe means build mode, sword means combat mode. So yeah, so say I was going to want another pickaxe, let me just go pick some of this stuff up. I can just craft one right now, and I've got another pickaxe. So let's get into building. So as you can see, the main problem I'm having with building is it works. So F6 is the hotkey for walls, F7 is the hotkey for floors, F8 is the hotkey for ramps, F9 is the hotkey for doorways that you can walk through, and F10 is the hotkey for windows. So I set it to F9 because doors are the coolest, in my opinion. But you can run up to these and pickaxe them or whatever, just, you know, use your swing effect. Still haven't added animations to melee weapons. I will get around to doing that. Also, the pickaxe, I believe, is 15 damage, but it's not programmed into the test dummy, so it won't display the damage. I will focus on adding more weapon outputs in the future, like battle axes and scythes. It's just that I kind of needed something to destroy tools, or not destroy tools, but destroy builds with, and that's the pickaxe. The block blaster will have the exact same function. But for example, say I wanted to, I don't know, build with wood instead of construction frame, what I'm going to do is either click it or right click and use material, and now everything I build will be out of wood. And if I wanted to use stone, either click or right click and use material, and now I'll be building with stone. So that is how the material system is going to work in this game. It's not going to be like Fortnite. The building system is like Fortnite, but the way materials work is there's no material. You have infinite amount of construction frames. This will function more like Fortnite's build system in the future, but for now, I might also turn this thing. The reason the build grid is kind of purple is because the game's main color scheme is purple, but you can see it messing around on the minimap. I'm going to change the minimap one day as well, just so it fits the map a bit more. So like you can see kind of inside the temple when I run this way. I'm going to update that as well. But yeah, so it's semi like Fortnite's build system. There's no edits or anything like that. This is just how things work, you know. It's how a build system is going to work in Project Hyper. But hey, as soon as I get Grid Snap working, and possibly add a few more features, then this game will have its third development log, like, properly released. Yeah, so, thank you guys for watching, I suppose, and, like, if you know how to do this or whatever, like, I'd probably figure it out soon enough. But if you can tell me before I figure it out, that would be greatly appreciated. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.